How to unpin someone on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the chat section at the bottom of the screen. So here, you'll be able to see the pin icon beside the profile if you have pinned someone. So if you want to unpin this particular person, you can just make a long press on that profile, and here you can see the option of chat and notification settings. So tap on it, and here you can tap on unpin conversation. But the issue is that you can unpin the conversation, but to unpin someone, you need to have the Snapchat Plus version. So if I make a long press on this particular profile and I want to tap or pin this particular person, you'll need to have Snapchat Plus, which is a pro version. So since I don't have it, I don't get to pin or unpin someone on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.